Welcome everyone! Today we will be making ravioli soup. I was just outside and it's so windy, so I decided a hearty comfort soup would be nice for this kind of weather. You will only need 8 ingredients: chicken stock, boxed or fresh, a can of diced tomatoes, sausage, your choice of brand of course, store-bought fresh raviolis, fresh baby spinach, garlics, and of course yellow or white onions, and last but not least, it's optional, a sprig of thyme. So let's cook. Okay, so using a stew or soup pot, oil the pot once it's hot or heated and turn up the heat to high. Once the pot is hot, toss in the minced garlics, followed by the diced onions. Now you want to give it a good stir and make sure that the onions and garlics are aromatics, and it smells so good right now. Okay, so at this point, add the sausage in and stir and separate the ground sausage until the meat is cooked. Once the meat and the sausage is cooked, pour in the chicken stock and stir well to incorporate the sausage and all the ingredients with the stock, and then go ahead and cover it with the lid and let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Remove the lid, and at this point what you're gonna do is stir it a little bit before you add in the diced tomatoes. So once the tomato goes in, you want to bring up to boil again, and then you want to toss in the fresh raviolis. Now stir to incorporate all the flavors and cover with the lid for about another 2 to 3 minutes. Once it reboils again, what you're gonna do is you want to shred about a sprig of thyme into the soup. This is optional of course, but they smell so good. I knew I have love for my own herb garden for a reason. So if you notice that the ravioli is kind of puffed up like little balls at this point, but that's okay, it's normal. It just means that they are cooked. Okay, so you want to toss in the fresh baby spinach and give it a good stir till the spinach is softened. You notice that when you put it in, the spinach kind of floats on the top, so you want to kind of push it down gently. Just so that the spinach gets to cooked, and then go ahead and add your crushed peppers for taste. Now you may choose to add salt or chicken bouillon if you like, that is if you like a more saltier flavor, or you can just leave it as it is, the way I have it right now. And what you're going to do is when you serve, add Parmesan cheese, because the cheese is already salty. I recommend, if you like a creamier soup, add about 1 cup of heavy cream into the soup, and this is what you have: a hearty home-cooked bowl of soup on a cold day. Enjoy! Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you!